One Silay Sport Director, Mr. Marlon Pareño.
Ang katanaw, hindi pwede mag-iyasa o yasa rin. Itlog-itlog lang kamay. Thank you.
So together nga Aridiga cover is Doy Phone Photography, Pitikan, and Digital Diary. Doon na may discount mo, inabalang may mga ang ila mga. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition. Cellphone bala, may mga sticker ni Kuya BJ. Do may mga na-spot. May mga na-spot na diya. Palibot na sa karon sa ato nga team.
Bak. Siklod.
Nice. Gaamat-amat na bugat ang mga gahinampang. So later on mayara kita sang mga branded na ged ng mga players like MJ 2 times, Michael Jan Losanes which is naging 2 times beast boxer, and we have Kyle Jan Hostado. But for now, you are watching the fight of Jomari Delgado from Silay and John Michael Fondador of Barangay Mandalagan, Bacolod City. So next bout will be Emmanuel Abobot of Silay City and Reche Kiambao of Victoria.
Next bout is Emmanuel Abobot versus Reche Kiambao.
So dugay-dugay, lapit na lang ged ang ato nino. May mga kumin event, mga bugat na ni sila, mga ano na ni sila, mga batika na ni nga mga manughampang. Ari na si Raymer Solidad Jr. of Victorias versus Ezekiel Jake Arabi of Bacolod, Sean Salamat of Silay versus Cedric Bautista, Yuji Castro and Andre Pescones. Yuji Castro from Talisay and Andre Pescones from Victorias, Elijan Palencia from Silay, and Cedric Bautista, Michael Jan Losanes which I mentioned earlier nga naging 2 times beast boxer sa mga event, no? Michael Jan Losanes from Silay City versus Andre Montijo of Victorias, and we have Kyle Jan Hostado of Silay versus Ramon Layan of Talisay City, and our main event will be John Christoph Valdez of Silay City. Si John Christoph Valdez nag-champion ni Sasang Provincial Med and versus Joseph Dairo of Talisay. So don't miss the action and excitement. Stay tuned lang sa Kuya BJ and you can watch the replay on our YouTube channel. Just search Kuya BJ and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para maging updated ka sa mga amateur boxing competition. Wala kaya? Ari ko. So shout out tagali no si Boss Bembem Frances Parampan of Sport Director from Victorias. So may mga Baxter matri, shout out ni sila. Shout out si mama mo. Ari ni si Mayweather of Victorias. So our next bout will be Emmanuel Abobot of Silay. Just a small recap. Si this Emmanuel Abobot have his debut last naghampang siya sa Barangay Bata. Dito siya nagdebut and this will be his second fight. So let's find out if he can remain undefeated against Richie Kiambao of Victorias. So stay tuned lang gid mga kuya. Don't forget to share and hit the like button para damo pagit ma-spread out. Again, this boxing event is made possible through the effort of One Silay Sports Director Mayor Mr. Marlon Barreño, of course with the help of Mayor Georgette C. Gallego and our Assistant Sport Director Mr. Glenn Chopoy Dakula. End of the bout. So the crowd are the crowd are getting bigger na. The crowd are getting bigger. Wala ah. Matamat na damo ang gatinanaw bangod wala na sang init. Let's find out. Of course, don't forget to follow Digital Diary. Congratulations Justin Hamero and Chris Betranya of One Silay Sports Boxing Team.
After 3 rounds of boxing, result of this bout, winner, low corner, John Michael Fondador of Barangay 7, Bacolod City.
Congratulations, John Michael Fondador from Barangay Mandalag and Barangay 7, Bacolod City. Shout out, One Silay Sports Boxing Team, Gabriel Saison, Arnel Latusa, Carl Iverson Villa, Gisrel Havillana, Justin Hamero, Chris Roy Hamele, Mercio Nanghalay, Andrew Igcasan, Chris Britanya, Newell, John Saison, Rafi Latusa, Jomari Delgado, Emmanuel Abobot, Sean Salamat, Ilijan Palencia, Michael Jan Losanes, Caljan Estado, John Christoph Valdez, and of course, their boxing coach, Mr. Reginald Valdez. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like, at pindutin ang bell button para maging updated sa mga boxing competition.